If you've been using Gemini 3.1 Pro lately and felt like you're hitting a wall way faster than you used to, you aren't going crazy. The rules have actually changed. Today, we're decoding the hidden limits that Google hasn't exactly put on a dashboard, but that users are feeling every single day. Reddit is currently full of people asking, did the limit go down? Some users on the Pro plan report being locked out after just 5 prompts, sometimes even just one. We're seeing a collision between what was promised and what is actually happening behind the scenes. Aggressive, undocumented, system throttling. There are 2 main invisible walls you need to know about. First is the rate wall. That's how many prompts you send per hour or day. The second is the data wall, a hidden storage cap triggered by file uploads and custom gem knowledge bases. If you hit either one, your workflow stops cold. Many of us have a 2 terabyte Google One plan and think we're safe, but Gemini doesn't use that space for your gems or file uploads. It uses a restrictive hidden bucket called Gemini Apps Activity storage. When that little bucket fills up, you get a data limit error, even if your Google Drive is totally empty. Think of your context window like a fuel tank. Simple, write an email prompt is a low burn. It only uses about 1% of your quota. If you upload a 50-page PDF and ask for code analysis, that's a maximum burn that can eat 55% of your allowed capacity in one shot. Throttling is calculated by the weight of your request, not just the count. Where your work matters. The Gemini web app is dynamic and often caps you at 5 to 10 prompts for heavy tasks. Google AI Studio is more for developers, but has recently seen strict caps of about 10 prompts per day for pro models. If you need to escape these consumer limits entirely, you have to look at the pay-as-you-go API, which charges per token instead of capping your request. So how do we survive this? Strategy 1 is model triage. Stop using a sledgehammer for a thumbtack. Use 3.1 Flash for simple formatting or basic questions. It has high limits and preserves your Pro quota. Save 3.1 Pro for deep document analysis and only use the thinking model for complex math or heavy reasoning. Don't build one master gem that has everything in it. That's how you hit that hidden data limit. Instead, follow the rule 1 gem equals 1 job. Have a dedicated gem for coding, 1 for prompting, and 1 for copywriting. Keep them lean to prevent that internal storage bucket from overflowing. Bottom line, Gemini 3.1 Pro isn't an all-you-can-eat buffet anymore. It's a high-performance engine that requires manual gear shifting. Feature prompts like currency, triage your tasks, and you can still get incredible work done. If this helped you make sense of the new rules, hit that like button and I'll see you in the next one.